G'day YouTubers, Was here. Okay, so we're up to the 20,000k review on the MT-10. We're taking it to Team Moto in Ogra. They've got a great range of new and second-hand bikes, accessories and everything you may need. This is where we bought the bike from, and the first service and now the second service. Before we go any further, subscribe to my channel. Please go down to the subscribe button now. Click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications. Hit the like. Your help goes a long way in keeping artists like us here on YouTube. For your notification, for your subscription, you'll receive from me riding videos of the MT-10 and other bikes and related to that. You'll receive cruiser rides. So if you're laid up in a hospital, you lost your license, you can't ride, you want to get back into it, any of those things, you can go to cruiser rides or sports cruiser rides and come for a ride with me. I do reviews on the bikes that I've had, including other people's bikes. Today at Team Moto at Enogra, we're going to be riding an MT-07 Tracer. So, what has this bike happened to it? Hang on. I'm waiting. I can feel some of you subscribing and some of you are just holding back. I'll just wait a bit longer. Beauty, thank you so much. What's going on with this bike at 20,000 Ks? All I've done to this bike in previous videos, you'll know, rad guards. They're a necessity. You don't want stones hitting your radiator. Okay? Oggy knobs. Absolute lifesavers. Oggy knobs. Go for a slide, go for a bin, it saves your bike big time. You can check back on a previous video to see just how good they are. Akrapovic muffler. I've kept my link pipe on. Okay, I've kept it all standard. I've just added a muffler. It's all you need. But you know, everyone's different. More noise is better. I've added for touring this little beauty. The shade pack. It's not very big, but it's big enough. Little grab rail. Bob's your uncle. And I've done a Woolwich race tune and the Woolwich quick shifter. So today at 20,000 Ks, we are just going to, I'm probably 150 shy of that, but 20,000 Ks it is. All my videos in relation to this bike and other bikes are all serviced at the intervals they're meant to be. So in other words, I don't dump oils and don't do this, don't do that. I keep it to the actual interval that you're meant to do. That way, if you're a little bit lazy or you're not mechanically minded or any of the above, you know that the warranty and everything that they subscribe you can do on these bikes, you can do. Alright, so 10,000 Ks was the last one, 10,000 Ks later, no change of oil, no nothing. It's still got plenty of oil in it, still got plenty of water in it. I've mixed the riding up, touring, distance, track days. It's been fun. So part of my YouTube channel also is you get track days on this bike as well as a Harley. So, you know, feel free, check it out. Check out the different bikes that are there. Subscribe! Alright, we're going to go into Team Moto now. We are going to drop this off, have a mag to them, and I'll get back to you at the end of this video with what they've done and how the bike is. Overall, the MT-10 is a wonderful bike. On the racetrack, you can see that, you know, the super sports bikes are better, but as an overall package, an MT-10 is a wonderful bike, well recommended. I believe most people that ride them would agree. There are a couple of super nakeds that are probably just that bit better, but still, it's a little tight bunch. They're super nakeds. They are wonderful. bang for buck, you can't go wrong. It's time now to drop this off and get the MT-07 Learner Tracer.